We don't need to request that the government follow the special permitting process. We need to insist that it does.
One after another.
If you don't do everything in your power to stop this and our people from getting taken, I reckon there are still some other Oklahomans out there who will. Thank you very much.
More than 60 people spoke at Oklahoma City Council today, demanding leaders do something to stop a new ICE processing center from coming to 2800 South Council Road in OKC. It's an area near multiple schools.
As a teacher, I know that when the community feels less secure and less safe, they can react in all sorts of ways that aren't. And so I just know that our city council needs to be protecting our civil liberties.
Not a single person who took to the podium voiced any support for it. The city discussed the possibility of a ban against detention centers like the city of Durant did to stop ICE from setting up shop there. But council was advised otherwise, saying the Fed's power still overrides it.
What would be the difference between the ban and the current special permitting process?
Nothing. I mean, technically, on the face of it, they should comply now. But if you get into a legal argument about it, they can ignore it.
The Durant city attorney told me today that they feel, legally speaking, the permit process is on their side. Now, they were citing a separate case that was coming out of Kansas where CoreCivic tried to sue them, tried to force a facility out there. In the end, the judge ended up dismissing the lawsuit. They were saying that they didn't have enough subject matter jurisdiction in this case. Now, if CoreCivic sounds familiar, that's that same company that's also behind the ICE facility going on in Watonga. We've been telling you about that in the past few months as well. Now here, though, many counselors said that they didn't want it either.
I do not support any form of an ICE facility in Oklahoma's capital city. I do not support it anywhere Oklahoma. I do not support it anywhere across America.
Council will now look for other legal avenues to get around the Supremacy Clause and plans to send a legal memo to DHS. While out of town at a mayor's conference, Mayor David Holt did send a statement in support of the pushback, saying in part, quote, "This proposal is something very tangible that will affect our residents, and they deserve to express concerns." Holt also said while they have to confront constitutional realities, the government can and should explore what they're able to do. For now, we'll all just have to wait and see. In Oklahoma City, Chantal Navarro, KOCO 5 News.